Good day everyone. Today we'll discuss about the basic classification of the plant kingdom.
Let's talk about what points have been considered while classifying the plant kingdom. Plants are classified on the basis of the following points. The plant's body is well differentiated or not, that means whether they have true roots, stem and leaves. They have well organized cell, tissue and particular organ in them or not. Absence or presence of the separate connecting tissue or not. Main leaves is xylem and phloem. At last, whether the seeds are present or not, or they are enclosed by the fruit or not. Now let's talk some brief classification. First classification is we will talking about the general classification, and the next will be the more technical one. Taking all these points into the consideration, plants are classified on the basis of the organization of cell and tissue. The plants in which the cell and tissue are not highly organized are comes under the group Thallophyta, which includes the algae, and another one in which the cell and tissue are well organized. On the basis of these, plants are classified into the two groups, non-vascular plants and vascular plants. Non-vascular plants, which comes under the group bryophytes, which include mosses, liverworts and hornworts, whereas the vascular plants are classified into the groups on the basis of seed present in them. The plant in which the seeds are absent comes under the group Pteridophyta, which includes the fern. The plants in which the seeds are present are further divided into the two groups, whether the seeds are naked or enclosed by the fruit. So the plants in which the seeds are naked means the seeds are not enclosed by the ovary wall or fruit comes under the group Gymnosperms. They are also known as the non-flowering plants, whereas the another one in which the seeds are enclosed by the ovary wall or fruit comes under the group Angiosperm, which includes the all-flowering plants. Let's talk about the more technical classification of the plant kingdom. We classify the plants into broadly two categories, cryptogamy and phanerogamy. The cryptogamy are those classes of the plants which do not have the flower, fruits and seed, but instead of the seed they bear the spore, which helps them in reproduction, whereas the second one is the phanerogams, have the flower, fruit and seed in them. Depending on the different characteristics they show, cryptogams are divided into the three divisions: Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Thallophyta, which I discussed already in the previous slides. Bryophyta are the non-vascular plants. The Pteridophyta are the first division in which the vascular tissue are present, whereas phanerogams are divided into the two divisions, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Gymnosperms are the vascular plants in which they have the seed are naked. That means the seeds are not enclosed by the ovary or the fruit wall, whereas the Angiosperms are the vascular plants in which the seeds are enclosed by the ovary or the fruit wall. Angiosperms are further classified into the two groups on the basis of cotyledon they have. Dicotyledon, they have the two cotyledons in their seed. Monocotyledon, they have the one cotyledons in their seed.
For the continuation of the topic vascular and non-vascular plants, I will make another videos. In the next video, we'll see about the first group of the plant kingdom, which is algae. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more related videos.